Politicians were busy fanning communal sentiments when Muzaffarnagar was burning, and now two BJP leaders who are actually accused of inciting communal violence are being felicitated.
That's true. Sangeet Som and Suresh Rana will be honoured at a BJP rally in Agra on November 21st. Here is a report.
Just 2 months ago, this man, BJP MLA Suresh Rana, was arrested on charges of fanning communal violence in Muzaffarnagar.
माननीय मोदी जी की रैली में जाने का जो व्यक्तिगत निमंत्रण मिला है, उससे पाकर के मैं बहुत प्रसन्न भी हूँ, खुश हूँ और निश्चित रूप से जाऊँगा.
Sangeet Som, also a BJP MLA, was booked under NSA for allegedly uploading a fake video and making hate speeches.
आरोप साबित तो नहीं कर पाए. अगर आरोप साबित हो जाता तो पार्टी हमारे खिलाफ शायद कार्रवाई करती, लेकिन आरोप साबित नहीं हुआ और हम बिल्कुल एकदम बेकसूर पाए गए हैं, तो पार्टी अगर अपना कोई ऐसा निर्णय ले रही है तो ये अच्छा निर्णय है.
And now both Suresh Rana and Sangeet Som have been invited to be honored at a Narendra Modi rally in Agra on Thursday.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी के उन कार्यकर्ताओं को प्रताड़ित करने की दृष्टि से, अपमानित करने की दृष्टि से जेलें भेजी थी, इसलिए हम वो रही इसके बाद छूटने के बाद उनकी पहली रैली हो रही है. स्वाभाविक है, हम उनका माल्यार्पण करेंगे, उनका सम्मान करेंगे और बताएंगे कि दंगों का सच क्या है और समाजवादी पार्टी की भूमिका क्या है.
It seems the BJP has forgotten that its MLAs were arrested on serious charges when Muzaffarnagar was burning.
Decision to felicitate Roy accused party MLAs at Modi's Agra rally is a clear indicator of BJP's strategy to not let the issue of Muzaffarnagar riots die down. In a clear communal divide emerging post-riots, BJP probably sees a major political opportunity in Uttar Pradesh, which it does not want to lose.
But the Congress is now accusing the BJP of playing politics over the Muzaffarnagar violence.
Which means cat is out of the bag. This is what they were doing. You know, they wanted to polarize Western Uttar Pradesh on communal lines. This was a very thought out strategy, planned strategy. And that's why now honoring them means that they had planned it out well in advance.
Now the ball is in the BJP's court, whether it will reconsider the invitation to riots accused to Modi's rally, as having hate mongers on stage can't be a reassuring message from a prime ministerial candidate. Bureau Report, Times Now.